Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I'm looking crazy, y'all. I do not have on an ounce of makeup. I don't have on an ounce of an eyebrow. There's actually two reasons for this whole bare face thing going on over here. So the reason number one is I actually worked out today, you guys. Today makes day 48 of me actually working out. And with that being said, I took a shower, but then I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and try my new skincare line. And so that's number two, is there's a new skincare line that's about to hit the market called Anew Hydra Fusion. So how is this skincare line different from other skincare lines? It has two main active ingredients. Number one is hyaluronic acid, and the second one is raspberry seed extract. Now, you've probably already heard of raspberry seed. However, hyaluronic acid is probably the first time you ever heard of it, but there's a lot of buzz in the beauty industry about it right now. Now, your skin naturally produces this anyway, and its main function is to actually seal in or lock in moisture. Now, as you get older or you're exposed to more environmental factors that can cause you to age prematurely, your skin actually loses this moisture or it dehydrates. And as a result, you actually start to form fine lines and wrinkles. So how do you combat that? Just put the hyaluronic acid back into the actual skin to seal in your moisture, okay? Now, raspberry seed extract is an actual antioxidant. So what this is going to do is it's going to help combat or fight off those environmental factors that can cause you to age prematurely. So when you put those two together, it's going to lock in moisture and it's going to stop all of the other factors that are taking the moisture out of your skin. So now this new skincare line actually has 5 different pieces, okay? It's a complete skincare line. One of the things that's really unique about this is like you can use this without water, y'all. So the first thing that they have is the cleansing micellar water and shower mask. Then you have the treatment, which is the replenishing serum. The moisturizer is a gel cream. And last but certainly not least is a depuffing eye serum. And yes, you need a depuffing eye serum. Starting as early as in your 20s, the skin underneath your eyes, which is already very sensitive anyway, begins to thin out. So as early as your 20s, you should be implementing an eye cream. Now, if you've never heard of micellar water, right? What it has is these little tiny micelles, which actually helps to absorb bacteria, residue from makeup, as well as any other type of dirt. So now you can use this as a standalone to actually cleanse your face, or if you've used a facial cleanser or an exfoliating scrub of some sort and you still feel like you have some residue left, you can actually use this. So this is perfect also for people like, you know, busy going to the gym and things like that, where if you want to just use this to cleanse your face, so that way you don't like get any type of breakouts or pimples from, you know, all of that bacteria getting sucked back into your actual pores. So now this is actually everything that you're going to see here is very, very lightweight. It's not heavy whatsoever. So this is the micellar water. I'm just going to use this to clean my face. Can you see me putting it on towel? Okay. You just rub it. Oh, yeah. And now this is also suitable for all skin types. And yes, even my combination in early oily girls like me. Okay. So now we got a clean face there. And then this is the in-shower mask. Now what this is it's more like an actual toner, you guys. And so you know what toner is actually going to help balance out your skin. It's also going to help lock in and seal in the moisture. So this is an in-shower mask. You can use this if you're just cleansing your face over a sink, or as some people like to actually clean their face while they're taking a shower, right? You want to actually apply this to wet skin, and you can use your fingertips to actually apply this. I am just going to use a paper towel just because I have one here. Okay. And then what you do is you just pat this into the skin. And this is going to seal in the moisture that you already have in your face from the water or from the cleansing micellar water. And just pat it in. And that feels so refreshing. So refreshing. And of course, we have the treatment. So now, usually treatments could be either a cream. This one is going to be a serum. Now, the good thing, or not, well, one of the surprising things about this is it has 10,000 micro bubbles that actually deliver a potent form of both the hyaluronic acid as well as the raspberry seed extract. And so what this is going to do is it's actually going to double the moisture that's in your skin right now. So you should begin to feel it immediately. And you should also begin to feel like a softer, smoother skin, y'all. And so like, I'm going to pour it so you can see. And like I said, everything is so lightweight, y'all. Like it like literally doesn't feel like you're putting anything on your skin. It just rubs right in. I know, I do a forehead live. Okay. 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 All right. And then the next step is actually going to be the gel cream. Now, this is a moisturizer. You can use this in the morning or in the evening, and it's going to be very lightweight as well. And now what this actually does is it locks in moisture for 72 hours, y'all. You see that? You really don't need a lot. Like I can see this product lasting a really, really long time because it's thin, but it actually spreads out easily. So can y'all see that? Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Starting to look hydrated already, right? And then last but not least, we're going to use the depuffing eye serum. Okay. Just quickly patting. I'm also going to put a little bit at the top though. All right. Boom. All right. And we are done. Now, as I said before, I do already have this, even though it's going to hit the market in a little bit less than a week. So now if you are one of my local customers, you guys, I am actually going to be doing mini facials so you can actually try this product. So if you're interested and you're in the Chicago area, I want you to actually go to my business card, www.chicagosbeauty.com, and I want you to click on the book a pampering session with me, and we're going to actually test these out and have some fun. If you are not a local customer, but you are still interested in trying it, guess what? I have samples. So I have samples of the replenishing serum as well as the gel cream. Okay. So once again, go to my business card, www.chicagosbeauty.com, and fill that out. And I will send you a sample. I'll also have this posted on my blog. So, yes, I'm like loving this, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. There we go. Like, does my skin look hydrated? You know, hydrated skin is softer, it's smoother. Oh, yes. There we go. And I think this is also going to be perfect for the winter time. Like, I'm in Chicago, y'all. And with that being said, like, that cold air, it literally just takes all of the moisture out of your skin and you get that dry, cracked skin. So I'm definitely going to start using this like ASAP. Okay. And I encourage you all to do that as well. If not, at least get some type of skincare regimen and start taking care of your skin. You know, skin is your the largest organ in your body, and you only get one of those. So you definitely want to take care of this. And then also one last note for my oily in combination girls. Do not think that you can skip out on a moisturizer just because you have oily skin, right? So if you skip moisture, what your skin does is it sends a signal to produce more oil. So instead, you're actually being counterproductive by not including a moisturizer. And now with this gel cream, it's very, very lightweight, right? It like literally all it feels like like this whole set is pretty much like you're almost just putting water on your skin. It's not heavy and it doesn't weigh down and it's not greasy. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.